Hello, so today's topic lesson is geography, and we're going to be, our learning intention is to be able to use simple physical geography terms. So today we are going to explore different places that pirate ships would have visited a long time ago. We're going to look at some islands, some coastlines, and explore some of the geographical vocabulary associated with those islands and coasts. Before we look at coasts, we're going to have a look at our school. A few weeks ago, we looked on Google Earth at a map of our school, and I've done that again today. And on the next slide, I've got a copy of the Google Earth. So have a think and chat with your grown-up. Where is your school located? Right, I hope you said Burstow Primary School is in Smallfield. So this is the image from Google Earth of our school. And Google Earth's really good. You can actually go and visit and look at anywhere in the world. So when this video is finished, you can use the link in our timetable and go and have a look at either the school or look at some of the islands we might talk about today, or anywhere where you might have relatives, and you can go and have a look at that on Google Earth. Smallfield is in England, which is part of the British Isles. This map here shows the British Isles. We've got the whole of Great Britain, which has got Scotland, England and Wales. And then we've got another island, which is got the Republic of Ireland and Northern Ireland in it. And then lots of little islands all around. And that combined makes up the British Isles. So there are a lot of different islands within the British Isles. Does anybody know what an island is? Have a chat with your grown-up about a definition for the word island. Okay, so hopefully you've said that an island is a piece of land which is completely surrounded by water. Here we can see a map of the whole world. So the globe has sort of been flattened out and we can see all the countries of the world. Have a look round and see which islands you can find. Maybe point to a few islands that you can see. There are a lot. We've got Australia down in the bottom. You can see the United Kingdom pretty much just slightly up from the centre. And then near the United Kingdom we've also got Iceland. Our pirate ships that we've been investigating during our topic would have travelled all the way around the world. They would have travelled all of these seas and possibly explored lots of these different islands. After we've seen this video, if you want a challenge, I want you to have a think. Where could this pirate ship that's in my picture, where could that have travelled from? Where might it be going to? You can maybe think of a story to do with the treasure that ship might have found and what dangers it might have come across. So that's a bit of a challenge for you to do after this video and once you've done the other topic tasks. So as an island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water, the edge of the land that borders the sea or the ocean is called the coastline. And it's not a straight line. There's lots of dips and it folds in, and there's lots of inlets where the sea goes in towards the land, maybe creating bays. You can sort of see these if you look anywhere where the land sort of dips inwards and the water goes into an inlet or a bay. So the pirates would have loved these because they could have sailed their ship into this inlet and hidden their ship away and stowed everything away. Maybe some of their booty they might have hidden within the rocks and the cliffs along that coastline. So in today's video, we've explored some vocabulary to do with coasts and islands. We've discussed what an island is and that the coast is that edge of land bordering the sea. In our packs, we've also got a list of other words to do with the sea and the coastline. So I've got sea, beach, port, harbour. You've also been given the definitions for these words. So what we want you to do is try and match up the word with the definition, or maybe pick a word and go and search up that word on the online dictionary to find the definition. So good luck, and remember, post anything you do, whether that's the vocabulary work or your thoughts on our pirate ship earlier, up on Padlet. Thank you.